Dear friends, good evening, and once again, congratulations to the finalists, the special citation, and to our awardees for the 47 Catholic Mass Media Awards. And we express our sincerest gratitude for their visionary leadership. His Eminence Jose Cardinal Portal-Vincula and Mr. Edgar Cabangon for leading the Catholic Mass Media Awards through the years. Let us give them a warm round of applause. Thank you, Cardinal Joe and Mr. Edgar Cabangon. And I thank the Lord for 25 years of the 47 years of Catholic Mass Media Awards that I have been part of in the journey. And as I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for making this celebration truly meaningful, tonight, we once again witness how the power of communication, when guided by truth, integrity, and faith, can uplift hearts and inspire hope. This is the spirit of our theme this year, and you have embodied it beautifully. To our awardees, congratulations. Your work reminds us that media becomes a channel of light in a world that often struggles with uncertainty and division. Thank you for using your gifts to tell stories that build, heal, and draw people closer to what is good and true. To our guests, presenters, judges, sponsors, and partners, thank you for your unwavering support. Your presence strengthens our shared commitment to nurturing media that serves the common good and reflects the values we hold dear. I also express my sincere appreciation to the organizers, the volunteers, and every member of the CMMA team. Your dedication behind the scenes has allowed us to celebrate excellence once again. As we leave this evening, may we carry with us the encouragement and inspiration we have received. May each of us in our respective fields and platforms continue to communicate with honesty, compassion, and responsibility so that our work may always become a source of hope for others. Congratulations once again to the people behind this program, especially Father Jojo Benafe and Mr. Benjamin Ramos and the rest of our hardworking secretariat for the successful program. Once again, congratulations to our winners. Thank you for being part of the 47 Catholic Mass Media Awards. See you again next year at the 48th CMMA. May God bless you and your families, and may He guide us always to become bearers of hope. Good evening, thank you, and God bless you all.